So now we are going to deal with the most important tool you guys are going to use in that business for animation. That's the curve editor, the graph editor in Maya. Alright, but it deals basically with the curve of your animation. If you select your character like that, the ball, you will see that I've keyed it only up and down, which is the Y channel, as you can see right there. Okay. Now if I go to translate Y, and I can see what I did. So I can use the same tool that we use in the viewport to move and zooming, and I can see my curve right there. Okay. If I move those, they will change my timing, and it will change what my ball does. See how much higher it goes now? Alright, the last one goes really high. Alright, because I moved it in the graph editor right there. See how much higher it is now? If I bring it down really low like that, now it'll go really low, you'll see. Alright, so that will just change a lot. Also, what does change quite a bit also, and what you have to remember is the computer is dumb, and it doesn't do a very good job at twinning things. Okay, the in-between stuff. So let's say you're going from point A to point B. Alright? That's the two key poses you created. Okay? The computer is going to do it this way. Straight, flat, linear. Alright? Which is, with little slide in and slide out, but it's not very well done. When in reality it's more like a car. If you're at the red light, the light turns green, right? Push the gas all the way, you don't start at 200 miles an hour. Okay, you start 20, 30, 40, you pick it up. Ease into it, okay? But well ease in, okay? Now, when you're going to stop at the red light, same thing. It's not like you're going to brake at once, and it stops. It's gradual, okay? That's called ease in, ease out. It's part of the third part for animators, animation skills. Right here, the three, but there's animation skills, big time, you guys. Okay, so the way to deal with that properly, alright, is to basically select all your points, and you can see those little tangents right here. Those tangents can be moved, alright. You can select one of those, and with your middle mouse, move it, alright, to adjust the way to react, is in or is out. The thing is, if you select one of the set, both are going to move right now, which is not very efficient for what you want to do as an animator most of the time. So what you want to do is select everything and go into breaking those handles right here. That's the tool right here at the top. You break those handles. Now they work by themselves, alright, without affecting the one that is coupled between with. Okay, you guys, that's really important, because we're going to adjust our stuff so it looks much better. It should be more like a bell shape in reality. Now I'm going to go at 0 right here because I want 0. Now, let me move that back up. Go now right here. Now that ball should be a little bit more interesting now. A little bit more consistent in the way it bounces. Okay, you guys? Now, that's the main thing you need to know about the tools in Maya, basically. That one thing very important. So let me redo a new exercise quickly. Another ball right here. Is to make a keyframe. How do I make a keyframe in Maya? I have no keys right now. Okay? So let's say I want to work in a pattern of 1 second. Okay? And I want to do basically a ball that never stops bouncing. Okay? That's dumb, but let's do that. Alright? So I'm going to make, how many frames do I need to make to create for 1 second? 60 frames. So I go to 60 right here. Alright? And I'm going to make a frame right here. To make a keyframe in Maya, you click on S on your keyboard. You select your object, click on S, and you can see the little ticker right here, red ticker. That means you made a key. Then you move to the key where you want it to be, the second key poses basically. So you move to that frame and you go down right here, for example. And that's in the Y. I'm going to go to 0. There you go, you guys. Oh, also, hold on. right here, sorry. 20 right here, you guys, and I'm going to click on S. Okay. Now, when you click on S, it keys everything, so we'll keep it easy for now. In my other class, I will make you guys key only the channel you're actually animating, okay? But don't worry for now, you just click on S, you'll be good to go. Now, in video game, we need to have loops. I'm gonna get back to that real soon, okay? So basically, just copy the first key. So I go copy right here by right-clicking, and I'm gonna go to 30 right now, 60 now, and I'm gonna right-click and I say paste. Right here, and now I've got up, down. See, it doesn't look really good right now, you guys. You know, it's okay. You know, it's seamless and it goes up and down. We want to make sure it's properly set up right here, and we're good. Yeah. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go into the window, animation, the graph editor, and I'm going to look in the translate Y to see the channels. And the keys, my 3 keys, I'm gonna go and break the tangents, and then I'm gonna adjust the tangents manually. Actually, not that one, but that one. Right here. I'll do that one now.
Where'd you go for the graph editor?
Window, animation, graph editor. Got it?
Yes.
Now let's look at that a little bit. That one might be a little. Right here. See, it picks up a little bit more. There's a little bit more weight into it, you guys. It's a little bit more realistic in the way it's bouncing. Okay, so that would be the main components right now for that. There's one thing to do. Video game needs to have keyframes everywhere. All your keys, all your twins needs to be baked into the mesh. As you can see right now, I've got a ticker only on 1, 30, and 60. I need to have tickers on every of those frames right there. The way to do that, you just select your object right here. You go to Edit, Keys, Bake Simulation, basically. Look at these options, selected, I'm good. All keyable, I'm good. And I say Apply. And you see now it's got tickers, key frames everywhere on all those frames. Alright? Like that the game engine can see it very well. Let me stop that.